Hello, hello. I'm not going to show my face. I have gotten sick. I have been sick for about 5 days, feeling yucky. Good news, I think I'm through the worst of it. Went to the doctor, got some meds, bad viral infection. So what do? I like to listen to music or create music when I'm not feeling well. So I am going to share a piece with everyone called Calm Night I wrote 2 years ago for the late beginner. Hope you enjoy it. And at a glance, if I start feeling better, I'll try to record in a few days on a C chord inversion exercise for beginners. And I'm going to be doing it in a series. And then I'll be also doing F. Really good foundation work for the learner. Hope everyone is well. Stay healthy because it's not fun being sick. So anyway, here we go. Calm night as I cough.